Do you have any weapons or anything on you?
No, I don't.
You're under arrest at this time for family violence. Deputy Pruitt's going to cuff you, and then he's going to search you. We're going to place you in the back of one of our patrol cars for a few while we continue our investigation. You put your hands together like this.
There you go.
There you go. It'll be easier for you.
You got weapons on. Said nothing on you, so.
You said I'm under arrest, huh?
Yes. Do you have anything, wallet or anything you want us to leave with anybody? You good with what you got? Okay. Do you want anything to go with you out of the car?
I mean, I got a recording on my phone when I talk to you on the phone. Well, it don't matter. I just tell them that. When I talked to you on the phone, you said you wanted to talk to me. Then when I came up, you said I was arrested.
I still wanting to talk to you too, though. My bad.
And I got custody papers. I got custody papers to where I'm allowed visitation. I'm allowed visitation on the weekend. I knocked on the door. And I have a video. I got a video on my phone that I never touched it. I got a video on my phone right now. I recorded her. Y'all can arrest me, but I still just want to show y'all the information so y'all know. So y'all will know. You have to have.
So we're not gonna go through your phone.
Somebody say you did something to them, and I'm okay. It's their word going against my video evidence. So in my word. So how am I arrested? I understand being detained, but until I tell y'all my side of the story, and y'all make a conscious decision, if y'all still feel like I'm the one should be arrested, then I could be arrested. But y'all not even gonna listen to my side of the story.
We're going to listen to your side. Like Lieutenant said, she's going to get more information. We're going to come back and talk to you, read you your Miranda, read you your rights and all that before we ask you questions. Yeah, and if you want to tell us your side of the story, you're more than welcome to, and we'll listen. And we'll take everything you say into account. And if you want to show us any videos you got on your phone, we'll be more than happy to do that too. Just give us a couple more minutes and we'll come back, alright? We'll be right back. This is what Lieutenant said we're doing right now. The other deputy that's over at Lancaster Crossing, I'm going to go ahead and take you over to the jail. Going to just wait out in the parking lot until the other deputy gets there, and then he's going to read you the rights and all that and ask you questions, and if you're still willing to answer them, show them, I got your phone up here, show us the video on your phone, and we'll kind of go from there. Right now we're going to head to the jail, we're going to wait for him, and then we'll proceed from there.
But so I'm saying, is it still a toss-up if I'm actually going to jail?
I wish I could give you, I'm not the deputy working this case. Like I said, he's going to meet us at the jail.
I'm going to be at the jail right here because I got shoulder problems.
We'll go ahead and get to jail. Expedite this process.
What's going on, man? I gotta read you this, and then you can tell me your side of the story or show me a video or whatever you want to. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Tell me what happened.
All right.